So welcome everyone. This is our 20th meetup in Chennai, and today our topic is Mulesoft for Agentforce, AP Catalog, and Topic Center. Okay. So safe harbor statement. Both the speakers and hosts are organizing this meetup in individual capacity only. We are not representing our companies here. This presentation is strictly for learning purpose only. Organizer or presenter do not hold any responsibility that same solution will work for your business requirements. This presentation is not meant for any promotional activities. Okay. So housekeeping rules, this session will be recorded. The recording and slides of this meetup will be available to the event page within 24 hours. Please be muted during the speaker presentation. Questions can be asked at any time in the chat or Q&A chat box. At the end of the demo, there will be Q&A session. So give us feedback, rate this meetup session by filling feedback form at the end of the day. About the Mulesoft community, the training site, trailhead.salesforce.com, anypoint platform, anypoint.mulesoft.com. So if someone want to become a speaker in Chennai meetup or any, you can send us a mail or you can contact me through LinkedIn. So this is my LinkedIn ID. Okay. So meet our meetup organizers. Myself, I am working with Bits and Glass Private Limited. I'm a senior integration lead there. So meet Yogesh Manikavasaham. He's a CEO of Mulecraft India Private Limited, and Nagaraju Kshatriya. He's working with Worldsite. So, yep. So, and about me, I have total 13 years of experience in IT industry and 9 plus in MuleSoft. I'm a Chennai Mulesoft community leader as well as Slack channel moderator of the speaker pairing Slack channel. The Mulesoft mentor, top 25 Mulesoft mentor, and Mulesoft certified developer and architect. Okay. So let's move on to what is Agentforce. Okay. Sorry. The agenda, today's agenda is what is Agentforce, Mulesoft for Agentforce, demo Q&A, networking time. Okay. So let's move on. What is Agentforce? So Agentforce, it is a low-code platform developed by Salesforce that allows users to customize and build agents for various roles and industries. Okay. So let me simplify Agentforce for you. Let's take a scenario to understand this. Suppose you're running a customer service team and your service agent handles hundreds of requests daily via email, phone, chat, even though social media. But they are only human and have limited time. So it is impossible for them to get through every customer query, right? And hit the deadlines every time. So this disrupts your workflow. So it delays responses to your customers and ultimately affects the business, right? So what you need in this case is more agents or someone to supervise those agents. That's where Agentforce steps in. So think of Agentforce as a control room full of agents powered by AI as a substitute for your human agents. So whenever there is a new customer query, these AI agents take over and respond with solutions. Now you might be wondering whether they give the relevant answers or not. Of course, yes. The control room has a supercomputer called Atlas Reasoning Engine. So it is like the brain behind everything, and it has all the existing data as well as any incoming fresh data to help agents with AI insights. So this control room means also known as Agentforce. Organizes repetitive tasks, routes them to AI and human agents as per our requirements, and provides us 360-degree view of all your customer interaction all in one place. So now you have a bigger support to resolve issues faster and happy customers. Okay. So to sum it up, Agentforce is quite literally a force of agents at your service. Salesforce has tailed it every unique business need. So you can personalize your agent to do what you want them to do. Right? So hope you understand what Agentforce is. So next is Agentforce benefits and how it's going to help you. So Agentforce provides flexible solutions to resolve customer service challenges efficiently and effectively. So it has a lot of benefits like um, yeah, increased efficiency, personalized services, and round the clock availability, like 24 bar 7 availability, scalability, boost customer satisfaction, seamless integration. So what in the increased efficiency means? So the agent force has a greatest ability to boost our team's efficiency and productivity. Also, it works well in handling multiple repetitive tasks, which saves employees time and enables them to focus on more complex tasks. And 24 bar 7 availability. So this is the another benefit of Agentforce. The autonomous agents are always available around the clock to provide customer continuous support across various communication channels. So it ensures that customer issues and inquiries are addressed instantly, anytime, anywhere. It is beneficial for business that run in multiple time zones to deliver the constant and reliable customer service. And next one is scalability. So whether you are running a startup or large enterprise, agent force can be customized and expanded to accomplish the specific needs of your customer service team. That is scalability and boost customer satisfaction. So by the power of AI and data integration via data cloud, Agentforce can interact with each customer and provide customized solutions. So it enables customers to get faster responses at the right time to resolve their issues. Okay, and seamless integration. So organization can easily implement Agentforce with their existing Salesforce platform, like we have Customer 360, Data Cloud. So it unifies all the customer data and interaction in one place. Okay. So today our Agentforce is capable of working with customer service, sales, marketing, commerce, everywhere with different connectors like which can be invoked to all these different servers. Okay. There are a few challenges as well. So agents do not know how to leverage APIs. Agents need controlled access to APIs, difficulty accessing APIs when building agents, unsure how to effectively manage agent growth. So how MuleSoft unlocks APIs for Agentforce agents? So we go with topics here. We create topics. We have scopes, instructions, actions, etc. in the topic. So to unlock APIs, we need topics. Yeah. So in topics, in this process, we have few steps: design, connect, consume, and manage. So design means we need to design our API and provide all the information, required information, and those instruction which your agent needs to perform. Okay. The next is connect. The next is connect. Once you design and deploy your API, connect MuleSoft with Salesforce. That will enable the APIs in Salesforce to create actions for which we are using API catalog. Okay. Uh, So this is the API catalog page. Here we can see the view of the catalog of all the APIs available for integration and service. Then automatically import running APIs into Salesforce. So this. And the activated actions and API versions. So through this way, we activate our actions. Okay. So next is consume. So once this gets reflected in the into the API catalog, the topics you created activate your agents, and then we use those topics in the Agentforce builder. where we define those topics. Okay. And next is manage. So we can manage those in the monitoring enabled in your platform, and we can check the traffic, number of messages consumed, etc. in the monitoring, anypoint monitoring. So these are the 4 steps: design, connect, consume, and manage. So, uh, we have 4 steps: connect MuleSoft to the Salesforce environment, build a Mule app, explore the API catalog, and connect Agentforce with your MuleSoft app. So, first step: prepare your anypoint user. So, we need to give permissions in the anypoint user. Then we need to enable Einstein in the Salesforce and Agentforce also in the Salesforce, linking in both Anypoint and Salesforce. Okay. And these things are need to be done in Anypoint and Salesforce as well. Okay. So I will show how to. So we have the exercise here. So if you go to this URL, we can see the steps. The first step I will explain. Yeah. So prepare your
Yeah.
Anypoint user.
Lenny just paste the URL in the chat so that in case if someone
Sure.
is doing it
Sure.
right.
Okay. Chat. And there is a problem. Please try refreshing the page. No. Abhishek, can you please share it? The URL.
Yeah, let me find that and I'll share it. Give me a minute.
Okay. So I have a Salesforce org, the trial org I created today, and Anypoint platform. So in this, the first step is prepare your Anypoint user. So go here, uh, access management. In the Anypoint platform, first we go with Anypoint platform. Here in the access management, I think there is issue with connect. Okay. Business
What's the issue? Tell me. Go to Salesforce.
Salesforce, yeah.
sales. Okay, okay. No, the access management. We need to enable the design center, those things.
Okay.
That will be
That's
users.
right.
Users.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Add
Add
permissions.
permissions. Uh, yes. So we need to give permission to these things. First, it is access management. I'm just selecting all, but we don't require all. But as this is a trial account, we can select all. And next is ACB, API catalog, API governance, API manager, design center, exchange, runtime manager. Okay, these things not required. So there will be 50 permissions selected total. Next, Agentforce. This is my business group name. So select all. So these are the permissions we have given. Add permissions. Okay. So this is the first step. This is what we have done. And enable the Einstein in Salesforce. Okay, let me check this. Okay. So we got these permissions. And in the Salesforce, go to setup. Okay. Next step is Agentforce. Toggle, then enable Agentforce.
Oh,
Okay, we need to refresh this. After enabling Einstein, we need to refresh this. So Agentforce will be visible.
Jay, the Einstein setup part was visible for you?
No, it was not visible. I think there is a lag,
Yeah,
Lenny.
Lini,
Suddenly the page, yeah,
The Einstein setup you need to say again because that didn't came up when you said that.
came up. Yeah, yeah. Suddenly the page got,
Stuck.
Here,
landed here. Yeah.
The Einstein setup part, like how you went to Einstein setup part.
any point platform setup.
No, no,
No, no,
Lini,
Einstein. You just
Einstein.
enabled, right? That was not visible for us in the presentation. I think some network issue. That's why.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
What about now?
No,
Can
now it
see
is
my
visible.
screen, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So Einstein setup I have enabled
Okay.
here, this toggle.
Mhm.
And next is any point platform setup.
Agentforce,
Toggle.
right? You mentioned.
Yeah. View connection info. Click view connection info, copy the Salesforce org ID.
No, no,
Then,
Lini. After Einstein agent force, right? Show that first.
sorry.
After,
Agentforce. After Einstein, Agentforce, you
Oh, even
mentioned.
that was not
Yeah,
okay.
that was not visible to us. Yes.
Uh, so Agentforce agents. We need to toggle on here. Okay.
Okay.
Even this toggle, both toggle. Then next linking the edge anypoint and Salesforce org. So we need to go to anypoint platform setup, view connection info, copy this Salesforce org tenant key and go to anypoint. Okay. Salesforce, add Salesforce org. So we need to paste it here. Add it, add it. Okay. Now copy this key, paste it in the Salesforce org connect. Yeah, the Agentforce connection is, Mulesoft connection Agentforce was created. Close. We need to enable this. Continue.
Scroll down to select business group.
Oh,
Yeah.
so, yep. So we have completed this step as well. Yeah. So we have
Lini,
three more
Lini.
steps.
There are lags. Uh, I
Yeah.
will suggest can we do it on Chrome everything instead of
Sorry.
Edge and Chrome. So there is a lag on everything. Okay. So
Oh,
I will
is it?
suggest open your Salesforce as well in your Chrome, and if you can join again from Chrome to the meetup.
Oh, is it?
Yep, there
Okay.
are lags.
Let me wait. Let me try switching.
Yeah. So meanwhile, Lineage join. I will tell you what she did so far is the first thing is the trial accounts. So Salesforce developer org is a special org now, which you get your agent force in that, and that doesn't expire if you keep using that within every 45 days. So that's a special org. For any point, it's a 30 days trial period account. So she's using that. Okay, and
Uh,
she enabled the Einstein and the agent force, and now she's trying to connect your Salesforce with your anypoint platform. Yeah, carry on, Lini.
Abhishek, is it audible now or is
Better.
it clear now?
It's better.
Okay, okay. So actually, I know this will take long time. Even in the API catalog, it's taking long time to reflect in the API catalog. So for these three steps, right? For the other three steps, MuleSoft app, explore API catalog, I have a recording with me. So I'll play this and I will explain what it is. So first, this is Visual Studio Code, VSC. I'm using ACB and uh, Salesforce and MuleSoft account or trial account using ACB to deploy the application from ACB. So we have these options: designing API, implementing API integration. So using the design API, I design the API and deploy the application for MuleSoft. So when you click on the design API, we can see this page, design an API. We need to provide a project name and above the checkbox, right? Enable this API for topic and action. That is mandatorily need to be checked. Okay. Yeah. Then we need to create the project. So it is creating, yeah, API project got created. Now we can see the YAML and exchange.json file in the left. Okay. So in this step itself, in the second step, we have a YAML code. Just we need to copy that code and I'm just copying that code and pasting it here and just changing the API topic name. Instead of hotel room reservation, just changing the topic name everywhere. And above the business group they are asking the business group, selecting the business group, BIG. That was my business group. So big Agentforce demo is our title, demo API. And left side, you can see the governance rule set is getting loaded because we have checked the checkbox in the while creating a project, we have checked. Then we can see all the instructions here. We need to apply that instructions. And here the rule sets got created. So if you see the rule set is getting is running in the left side. So it has some kind of rules actually, like the YAML name should be like this, the description should be like this, the title should be like this. So that if that is everything is fine, it will success. We get a green check. And next is deploying to application to the exchange. So from there we need to select deploying the project to exchange. Okay. So it will validate the project. Then we need to provide the API version here. Asset version will be coming by default and just give the API version and do publish it. This is my Anypoint platform. So we can see this big Agentforce demo application will be published to our exchange. Yeah, we need to choose yes to implement, whether it is asking for would you like to implement this? Yes. And we need to give any project name here and then press enter. It will select any location from our local and the support Java version, yeah, Java 17. The latest versions we need to select. So we'll refresh this. Yeah. So we got big Agentforce demo into our exchange. So it got scaffolded as well. If you see the SRC main mule, we got the code by default based on the YAML provided. YAML we have provided. So here one thing is missing, the auto discovery. So we need to manually add this auto discovery. Before that, we need to sell. Yeah. So for transform message, we are using a get operation to get all these inputs in this YAML. So for that, first we need to update this with update this flow. The flow will be auto generated. So in the flow list, we need to select operation, get operation. So here the transform message, in the transform message, we need to paste the code which we have copied from prompt. So this is the operation. This is the get operation we are performing through the Mulesoft. So finally, we will execute this in our API catalog. Okay. So yeah, in the API manager, we need to create an API for auto discovery purpose. We need to create the API. Yeah, add new API Mule gateway. Other things are default. Then big Agentforce demo. Next, conformant. Yeah. Next, other things are will be we need to fill these things later. As of now, everything by the default we need to store it. And just copy this API ID, and we need to copy the main flow name from this code, because we need to provide these two things in our auto discovery. So the auto discovery we can copy from this prompt. Here we have the auto discovery code. So just replace the main flow name with this name, and the API instance ID with this API instance ID. Next, to paste it in the config summary. So the next is this is deploying to CloudUp. Rocket symbol is there. So when we click on that, it will ask whether we need to deploy to CloudUp 1 or 2. So I selected CloudUp 2, and US is to shared space, sandbox environment, and clicked on deploy. So now our application will be getting deployed in our endpoint platform, and the Java version we need to provide, and the version 1.0. Okay. It will take some time to deploy this project into endpoint platform. Yeah, in the runtime, actually we need to copy the this client ID and client secret from this business group, and we need to have it. So I already copied it, and I have it in my notepad. So we need to provide it in our runtime manager. In the runtime manager, we have the application, right? So once it gets deployed, not deployed, just gets loaded. At that time, we can able to apply that this client ID and secret there. So yeah, it will take some time to deploying project on Cloud 2.0. Yeah. So we got the application here, big Agentforce demo. So yeah, go to manage application. In the properties tab, you need to paste the client ID and secret, which we have copied already. Okay. And apply changes. So let's wait till this get deployed. But yeah, okay, big Agentforce demo. In the meantime, we can copy this. We need to copy this URL. So we have configured the API, right? So in that, we need to provide this URL. Edit, yeah, edit option. The consumer endpoint and upstream URL slash API slash. So yeah, yeah, one slash is missing. Slash. Then save it. Save and confirm the status is active. So once the application gets deployed, the status will be active in the API manager. So now the API status is unregistered, right? Once the application get deployed in the runtime manager, this will get okay. Now it got deployed and it is running now. So let's check this is still unregistered. It will take some few minutes, few seconds. So yeah, this is completed. Let's refresh this. Yeah, now the API status is active. Okay. Yeah. The next is exploring the API catalog. Now we have API catalog in Salesforce. We need to search for API catalog. It will take some time to populate in the API catalog. For me, it took around 10 minutes earlier. We need to refresh. We need to check here, then Mulesoft tab. So initially, when there is no applications, no entries, there will be start sync. So we need to click on the start sync. Yeah, now we got it. Big Agentforce demo in the API catalog. So click on that. Now the agent enablement is pending, connection status, everything is inactive. So we need to activate the connection first. Actually, there should not be any special characters or anything in the name. So I'm just removing that hyphen, and in the description, Just add some description. This connection will help you connect. My YAML file refers to a hotel management API, but I just changed the title, topic name and the title only. Okay. So I'm just giving this hotel management API and retrieving and updating the book information. Okay. And we need to click on the API version. Next, create and continue. Manage user assignments. We need to add assignments here. So manage assignments. Add assignment. And we need to select the user, assign it. Yeah. Yeah. Now we should see the API catalog active, but this agent is not enabled yet. So, and these actions, all these things, we need to enable it through API catalog. We need to activate the actions actually. So, yeah, with agent system. Um, Here, activate actions. So this should get activated now. Update. Now the agent enablement is done and the action also created. Then let's go to Agentforce agents. So we are going to create an agent. In the Agentforce, we need to select the Agentforce default. Um, Open in Builder. Okay. Okay. We need to deactivate it if it is activated earlier. And we need to remove the existing topic labels, which is existing already there. And we need to add from the library now. We can see the big Agentforce demo version 1 here. From the asset library, we need to select this. Now we need to test our agent. So we have provided the means in the transform message we have added the get details, right? So that get details will be coming means when we requested for that. So reservation ID we can provide anything because there we have assigned as reservation ID, whatever it is, it will provide the details. So these details, it is coming through our Mulesoft API. So these are the three steps. First, build a MuleSoft app, explore the API catalog, and connect the Agentforce with our MuleSoft app. Okay. Yeah. So this is what we have provided in the YAML, right? So based on this, we got the response through our agent. Yeah. Yeah, that's all.